Good evening, candidates. Instruments of monetary policy, repo rate, the interest rate at which Reserve Bank provides overnight liquidity to banks against the collateral of government and other approved securities under the Liquidity Adjustment Facility. That is, in order to regulate the money supply in the market and also to keep under control the inflation. A reverse repo rate, the interest rate at which Reserve Bank absorbs liquidity on an overnight basis from banks against the collateral of eligible government securities under the Liquidity Adjustment Facility. What is Liquidity Adjustment Facility? RBI's Liquidity Adjustment Facility helps banks to adjust their daily liquidity mismatches. It has two components, which are repo, a repurchase agreement, and a reverse repo. When banks need liquidity, banks need a liquidity to meet its daily requirement, they borrow from RBI through repo. The rate at which they borrow fund is called repo rate. When banks are flush with fund, they park with RBI through the reverse repo mechanism. Reverse repo mechanism at reverse repo rate. Present reverse repo rate is 3.35. There is one more facility, standing deposit facility. There only now they are paying 4.65. Marginal standing facility, a facility under which scheduled commercial banks can borrow additional amount of overnight money from the Reserve Bank by dipping into their statutory liquidity ratio portfolio up to a limit at a penal rate of interest. It is now 5.15%. This provides a safety valve against unanticipated liquidity shocks to the banking system corridor. The MSF rate and reverse repo rate determine the corridor for the daily movement in the weighted average call money rate. Bank rate, it is the rate at which Reserve Bank is ready to buy or rediscount bills of exchange or other commercial papers for long terms. The bank rate is published under Section 49 of Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. This rate has been aligned to the MSF rate and therefore changes automatically when the MSF rate changes alongside policy repo rate changes. Cash reserve ratio, the average daily balance that a bank is required to maintain with the Reserve Bank as a share of such percentage of its net demand and time liabilities that the Reserve Bank may notify from time to time in the Gazette of India. Statutory liquidity ratio, the share of net demand time liabilities that a bank is required to maintain in safe and liquid asset such as unencumbered government securities, cash and gold. Changes in SLR often influence the availability of resources in the banking system for lending to the private sector. Open market operations, these include both outright purchase and sale of government securities for injection and absorption of durable liquidity, respectively. Market stabilization scheme. This instrument for monetary management was introduced in 2004. Surplus liquidity of more enduring nature arising from large capital inflows is absorbed through sale of short-dated government securities and treasury bills. The cash so mobilized is held in a separate government account with the Reserve Bank. What was that? That was market capitalization, sorry, market stabilization scheme. Thank you. Thank you so much. Very good. Yeah, Justina, see, I think you are come for group discussion. No? You come for group discussion, Justina. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Acha, acha.
Yes.
Good. Which date is your group discussion?
July 5, sir.
Oh, Baba, you have lot of time before you. You are also from Kerala?
Yes, sir.
Which part of Kerala?
Ernakulam.
Very good. Thank you. I think that session we will start after about say 10 minutes. You please come then, you can join with them also. If you have any questions which you cannot ask openly, you can ask now because this is being recorded. Yeah, or
sir,
you.
I heard.
Pardon?
Can I ask now?
Yeah, 1 minute. Can it be recorded or not recorded?
No problem, sir.
Tell me. Good. Tell me.
Sir, can we use a note or something like that in the group discussion to note down the points so that we don't forget it?
Yes, you can. You can have your notebook beside you. You are going to sit in your home only. You can have your notebook beside you. In fact, you will be getting the questions we are discussing here only, mostly. So you can prepare the answers for all those questions ready on hand. Keep them with you so that you can read from there.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But reading should not be seen that you are reading it. Slightly keep it before your eyes.
I asked it because if they will be giving some fresh topics so that you don't get that much time to think.
Mostly they are not asking fresh topic. They are asking only one among the 29 or 30 topics we have given. Mostly. And sometimes what they do, from and out of the same topic, they change the conditions. Some wordings they change. Okay. So you should read the question thoroughly before answering. Don't answer the questions you have already prepared. Because if the question is different, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Justina.
That's all.
What is the degree? What is the degree you studied?
I have completed PG in MSc Mathematics.
Super. Good, mathematics. Good. MSc Mathematics. Good. Now, please tell me A plus B plus C whole square is equal to what?
Can you repeat the question, sir?
No. They will not ask these questions. Just for fun, I am asking.
Okay. Please ask the question once more.
A plus B plus C whole square.
Oh, I don't know, 3 variable equations are maybe A plus B all square and A plus B plus C square. I don't remember it because we are not using such kind of equation in MSc. What we are studying is full of theory. and in degree,
A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Hello.
Hello.
There is a number whose double is greater than its half by 45. Can you find this number? This is a tough question. This is a tough question. It doesn't matter because you are max. I am asking.
I don't know, sir, because I'm close to max. That doesn't mean that I know all the topic.
No, but this one is very, very easy. You must answer this. Can you please write down? Can you split?
1 minute.
Please note down.
Okay.
Can you split 34 parts?
Can you show me the question?
Yeah. But How can you see this? This is question number 97. Are you able to read?
Sir, 1 minute. I can't see the...
No. I will give the question on the screen itself. Don't worry. That will not be a problem for you. I will type it out in chat. Just because we are having time, I'm making fun of you. Okay. Can you split 34 parts into 2 parts such that 4/7 of one of the parts is...
Sir, I can see the screen, but I can't see what you are writing.
I will give you equals. I will give you 2/5 of the other. I will give you the message itself.
Okay.
Equals. It should be equals. I am reading the question again. Can you split 34 parts into 2 parts such that 4/7 of one part equals 2/5 part of the other?
Okay, sir. 1 minute. Okay, but I got it. What I have to find? Okay. 1 minute. 14 and 20.
Super. Selected. You are selected. Thank you. Best wishes.
See this. But in the first moment, I didn't understand the question.
Yeah, now it's okay. Good. You did it well. Best wishes. We'll meet at 9 o'clock. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.